So you bought this as a chassis cab, right?
What's that?
You bought this as a chassis cab, right?
Just a chassis cab.
So what all does it take to make it into
Well,
the fire truck?
They Tri-State Truck and Repair
Okay.
over in Key West. We bought the box from him. We mounted this on. This stuff in here came from, well, right there, you can see it, Sand Refire, up there, equipment.
Yep.
They built this skid. This skid will come right out of here.
Oh, okay.
You can take a forklift and go underneath here in the wintertime and just take it out. Because you ain't gonna have grass fires in the middle of winter.
No.
If you want to use the truck for something.
Sure.
So that they make up that whole skid then, kind of to what you want. But
Okay.
it's got a nice pump and everything. You know, it's
So the outer box, one company
that's
puts together.
from Nappi. I think it's from Monroe Machining. I think I'm not positive where he gets them. Then he done all the wiring and stuff in it. See, it's got a converter,
Okay.
everything in it. It's got, and he put those LED light. Oh, them things are bright. There's 20,000 watts.
Wow. Yeah, can you go over kind of what's all involved in this truck?
Well, like what anything.
I see some hoses here.
Yeah, it's got 2-inch, they're 200-foot inch hoses on it.
Okay.
Uh,
And is that just for putting out fires?
Just grass fire. This is a grass fire truck.
Okay.
Really, yeah. 225 gallon tank, I'm pretty sure it is. Poly tank, and then it's got just a pump, and that actually it's like, I think it's 300 gallon a minute pump really, but you'll never use that. I mean,
So do you have to hook it up then to?
you can hook it up to a height if you want, but mainly it's made to run around the field with, you know, all the timber and stuff. That's what we wanted, the 4-wheel drive and heavy duty.
Okay.
So if you run low, you can always pull up alongside the big truck in there and he can fill it.
Fill it up.
And then run back down in the field again.
Interesting.
So that, and then there's tools on here. Got 2 leaf blowers for grass fires.
Sure.
Over on the other side is chainsaws, 2 of them. 2 different kinds. This one's got just some tools right now. We're still loading it.
Oh, yeah.
Figure out what to put all in there.
Sure.
What's in here? Some little hose.
Caution tape.
And caution tape, yeah, an extinguisher. And on the front here, they put 2, this is another one. He did all the work inside over there, Tri-State too. He built made the console.
Oh, okay.
And he wired everything up.
Wired up the lights.
He done all of that. It's all Whalen lights and stuff.
Very nice.
And let's see, and then up in front, we added the brush guard and a winch.
Oh, okay.
And that winch will just unplug,
It's pretty hefty duty.
pull the pin out, and you can take it around and stick it in the back end, too.
Gotcha.
Same thing, you know, it's because it's just got a regular receiver.
So it's just on the hitch there, huh?
And it's got a electric back there, and it's run by remote control. There's a remote inside.
Very nice.
So if you get yourself stuck or anything else, why,
Front or back, don't matter.
boy, that's dirty. Hope we don't show up in pictures.
It's quite the tires you got on.
That's one thing we did. When it came from factory, it had more of a tire like that on, you know.
Right, the standard kind of.
We wanted aggressive tires, and they said that the salesman said something about couldn't get them or hard to get, so we went to Weldon Tire in there, and he swapped them out for us. I forget what it was. He said, "Yeah, I'll take them." And see, we got pretty good mudders on that one too.
So they can
Well, you're gonna be out in the field.
Yeah, you want to get out of the mud. Sure. We looking here?
Yeah. That's got
Chainsaws.
yeah. One's a roof chainsaw. This one here. It's a different cutting blades on. So when you're cutting through on the fire and the roof, you can go through nails and stuff. It's got carbide.
Oh, gotcha.
The tip, and the other one's a standard chainsaw for when we're out in the timber. You might want to cut up limbs or something off of
Sure.
trees and stuff like that.
Cool. There's more hoses and
This one, some
gasoline.
gas and stuff
Sure.
in there, yeah. Pew.
Very neat.
That's about what the whole truck is, yeah. We're happy with it. Everybody likes it so far. It's a little higher than we really wanted, but the reels are sticking up there. And we're not quite done with it yet. They're making see that the top on that one?
Yeah.
What do you call that? The diamond plate?
Yeah.
We're going
The
to cover this
brackets.
with that too.
Oh, okay.
Same as that one right there.
Cool.
And there's going to be a mounts right here to hook the nozzle. So it will be either, one way or the other here. So they're out here like this.
Oh, okay. So you can take them out.
Right. It's because this way now, the short guys have a hard time.
Oh, sure.
And there's electric reels on there.
So this is a brush fire.
It's a brush truck,
Brush truck.
that's what its mainly is, yeah.